Hey, how's it going? Gabe here with Manly Bands. Thanks for stopping in for this unboxing video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Savant.
Gabe, it's
Oh. Checkmate.
no, it's not.
Inside of our custom wood grain box, you're going to find something great. And that's why we make it so special here at Manly Bands, so you know when it comes in the mail, something good going to be inside. And that first good thing is this card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. And even inside that, even greater stuff. Look how good things are, even before we get to the band. Customer service, QR code, link to some social media. Check out ours, check out yours. Post some stuff to it. We like it, you'll like it. And here we go inside the Savant. Beautiful, simple, tungsten with a brushed finish on it. This comes in either 6 or 8 millimeters, so you can get that custom shipped, custom engraved, custom whatever you wanted to do with it. We'll do it for you. Inside there, we also have our black silicone band for you other savants looking to keep it a little less rigid, shall we say. Check it out. Can you get all that? Check that out. Perfect. And inside, we also have some promotional materials. One, of course, being 20% off of Rosie Ray, our sister site. So of all of you ladies out there who are savants as well, go check that out. And some other promotional materials as they become available. The Savant, manlybands.com. Go there.